Ichi lungpo kusunga vengolu achai ni ko kongkun thei jalan jong lamin katang wa ne hi ka program te ho hi apada kipatsa achai chan ge nang man ma nei puiwa gawa nei tha khom iwa kato katham kathil bol jo sew nang ma lo pin le ke ho ki kala ki het thin na le ki ngai mu ne hi dingin jong na khut thing ka bok sa ne hi ma ang sunga hi mai cham ka hin bi do te ho ki pakai nang man ta thei bun lam he chi mai cham changa nang ma ki choi sang in lam he chi mai cham hi gim nam trin nei san pi bin lam he chi mai cham hi pakai pusung la beng sunga dinga jong kilung khat na kilung.
Chief guest for the day, Sri B. Venkateswar Rao, would you please stand up, sir? Let us greet him with a warm round of applause. Thank you, sir. And we have a small present. Thank you, sir. And next, we have Sri Lalmilen Misau, MPS Additional SP Kangpokpi, who will be gracing us today as our guest of honor. And we welcome him also with a warm round of applause and a traditional scarf. Thank you. We are also very happy and very proud and privileged to have in our presence today Sri Samir Patra, Senior Executive HR from Lekonintra. Thank you, sir. And let me also introduce the judges for the mass past event. Firstly, Reverend Tunlal Haukip, pastor of Langol Church. Thank you. Thank you. And also Mrs. Ngailing Haukip, Senior UDC NCC Women's Infal. And last but not the least, Sri Lergintang Haukip, research scholar from Manipur University. So these will be your judges for today. Okay, before we begin, I'm sure you're all anxious to begin the sports. A brief explanation and introduction of our events. Gol no. Gol in our dialect means a deep friendship, a deep brotherhood. And no means to enjoy or to have a total fulfillment of that enjoyment of that friendship. So Golno, and these two words combined, it embodies our age-old traditions. Even before football, volleyball and other events came in, our forefathers used to do this every year. And at the end of the day, it did not matter who is first, second, third, fourth or last. Everyone celebrated together. And this brought all our clans, our tribes together. Lungpo is very unique and privileged. We have so many different communities. We have the Chetris, the Rais, and even among us, the Kukis. And we have lived together in harmony for generations. And we hope to continue this for the coming generations as well. And to all the participants, congratulations. Everyone who took part, you are all winners. And without further ado, I hand over now back the program to the conductor. And best of luck each and every one of you, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sports meet. Special thanks to Mr. Danish, Chief of Lungpo, who invited me here. I will be also thankful to all the delegates present in the days to attend this ceremony. I am representing my company, Lekon Infra. We are here to execute the Asian Highways project from Tangpopi to Karabokki. We need all that your help and cooperation for smooth completion of our work.
The first contingent is Lunombe. Lunombe Veng is followed by Sahej Veng. This contingent is the ground Veng. This is the dispensary Veng. The rice. And lastly, we have the Chetris. A total of 6 contingents for today's parade.
For giving me the opportunity to be here. And I also express my gratitude to Sri Chief Guest and others. So, Sir Venkatesh, please excuse me, I'll speak for a few minutes in our dialect. Amasa pentain, dunia ichi kingon hinde. Lungko hausapuhin hausapihin joteng le kusunga nule pa pile pute ho. Kipawong de jengin, ito bang Mars Pars sports at tabyo ayong umlohin. Dunia hu mele Mars Pars tabang iti parade umpay ay iting le kitunun na discipline hong kipanday hin sina sun sita bang ay ngonze din na tunga kipatukan sein. Joteng le Veng sung golnop kiti wa hausapun jong seitan. Golnop kiti hi kusung Veng sung kihat kem to na di tha hitabang ahum hi iho jong kingai lut na kusung mi yong kingai lut na hi a jo teng le Veng sung jo teng le hang sung ai jong apa chum ding ti chu cham de la na jo tele kingai lut na su do na dingin hen ti hi o chom cha ko lim na hin jo teng le eka tu lengol nop to kisailo tu akampu ki eka akiha boy ki pen chu nule pa nungago lang ulen na vil het diwa ka ase nom ka omin sui pe mitile kampu pi hin accident ji na hin eka Christmas masang di ko na yong chun ni tam ta hin ko yang abe tan chi pg pen ha mitile traffic rule izoi lo ji wa hin china hi khosunga dia gari nei ho jong eka Gari niyaw ni Honjong helmet hoy ta ki ko itin traffic rule hoy ta zuyo itin joteng le gari le ni Honjong dekha angai cha permit ho insurance lang EPP ho chu hoy ta iho wa ko na he hoy ta chu izui liao ko dangin jong dekha dil na an le dio izui pau che hele iho hin ko kiven bit na dio hin china chu hoy ta in traffic rule hoy zuyo te tiong chu achai na kan se he ka ki pai
Of honor and the Chief of Lungpo to please inspect the players for the 50 plus veterans. Our chief guest, Sri B. Venkateshwar Rao. Our guest of honor, Sri Lalmilin Misal, accompanied by the Chief of Lungpo village, Sri Danis Misal. This is the veteran team led by Sri Selin. We have the match officials, and this team is led by Sri Hevom.
Pitiditam. Itu nama apa yang menurut mati orang. Oke, kita tarik. Kita tarik. Gol.
जन को तिरसना पानी ले मेट्यो कर सारी
le first himwa mang neo lupeng ma zong ding in kan tim me ki pau min first second third himwa zong ki pau min ahin pedo anu boy nu zungayong ki pathin save abana hi march pass second himwa to first himwa hi cash prize ipi do di wahi in ahin pe do dinga pu reverend tunlal hawkim ama khain ko mase march pass second prize hi total 30 marks judges also som ma ki hom hin 30 la hin 25 amuin kui hin te ti wai adie ground wang lam kai ho khat ben pen ni ma di hin ti me march pass 30 la 25 mu hai Paumin upon first prize in Moa 30 la 28 points mu hai kuyin te ki hai sahei veng Paumin first prize sahei veng 30 la pana 30 la 28 Paumin pu reverend pu in to pi vinten abana hin volleyball men apedo ke ruitin apedo dinga nu ngai hin hawkip ama khin ko ve abana first prize dispensary wang ki paumin ngai din ni to pi hen na tun volleyball women ai pe do pi din lungbo house pi ve kim misa ma khin ko ve second prize ground wang munti la sing ground wang in here abang le first prize nunong wang first prize nunong wang in football apedo hitin apedo dinga pu thanglin lal misao ma khin ko ve second prize rai wang second runner up rai wang abanin football first prize dispensary wang Football he is second, the first again trophy pido na kinaitan. Aban in special award ng pinumin football ahin consolation prize weng si at itsan nomin ang sa penin Chetri weng. Chetri weng ba ahin ground weng. Ground weng ba len nung weng ban ba len hung pidi mo kitimre. Nunong weng bana sahei weng. Dunia cultural dance Vietnam tata elam pi ho gong. Subale dunia march possible nawa parade command bola parade instructor amasa penin who have one misao ma zong ki pa thil pi ki nei nomin who have one misao aban le tu silien misao ma zong ki pa thil pi hong sar pi ki nei
Veng gol look ball now achai ne ge in poiwa patin thang van hen lang ni thum jeng chai jong le boina im cham lo wa final ni ge ya dama in poiwa amasan patin thang van ken han lang veng ho zo se chunga ki pa thui se yu ben chule
tunia chief guest yung pat pe hong guest of honor han lang chule adang dang ho chunga jong ki pa thu se yubin chule tunia kondanga ipan pe nu chunga jong lut klop tulangin ki pa thu se kinubin chukille tunia ine deu ebol pe uba facha pong ho pa te han lang nu te han lang yong mo chunga jong ki pa thu se kinubin chule kichip na sunga kisu khana ki to khana ima cham lawa dama kichip ho long ichai the jiwin ki pa thu se yuwin pathen in pathe bu han lang mabana jong tu sanga hoi zo la phazo a leng zo se pan la ki dewa ki tem ki nwe ikichep na sungo wa hung ki pat ne wa ki pat na boi nam lo wa tu chan ge ya azona pat ge ya pan la ji win ichung che wa achai na ge yen ki pa thu se win ki ma phat chan ju tan te